Hi, Aisha Kelly here, out and about in Walpole, and I am here with Dr. Kane of Walpole, Dental Associates of Walpole, and they are a tremendous sponsor of Walpole Day. So we're here to learn a little bit about them, and can you tell us a little bit about how the business started?
Sure. Well, we were thinking about opening a practice way back in the early 80s. This is when we started. We looked at a number of different communities, and Walpole just seemed to be the type of family-oriented community that we wanted to have, that would appreciate the services that we had to offer. And when we started out, it was actually fortuitous that we found Walpole, because at the time the founding partners, Dr. Ficarelli and myself, were interns at the New England Medical Center, and a professor from the medical school, who was a pediatric professor, came over to our department and asked if there was anybody interested in setting up an office in Walpole. And it turned out this professor was a pediatrician here by the name of Vic Popio, and was instrumental in bringing us down here. He was very supportive of us initially. At the time, back in the early 80s, the whole concept of pediatric dentistry was fairly new, and he helped introduce that concept into the town. And of course, we went out and disseminated information to a number of different organizations and schools and hospitals in the area. And as a result of that, and the tremendous commitment to family that the people of Walpole had over the years, the practice has certainly flourished and grown.
No, I know, because my kids have been part of it, but you go into the schools. Can you tell us a little bit about the school program?
Sure.
And what you provide for that?
Sure. Well, we really feel as though we should outreach to the community. We should give back to the community, and part of that program is educating people, particularly children, in the schools. So we have a person that his full-time job is to go out and to disseminate information, give up toothbrushes and toothpaste, and show people how to take care of their teeth, what to eat, what not to eat, things of that nature, so that we can hopefully, over our lifetime, see a precipitous drop in the decay level for the kids in this area, and deliver terrific quality care. And as a result, we've seen the disease drop precipitously over the time that we've been here.
And I know you make kids very comfortable when they come here.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
And I don't know about you, but when I was a kid, it was a very frightening experience to go to the dentist. I can still to this day remember the feeling, the feeling, that pit in your stomach feeling that you had walking in. It was just awful. You know, I've seen tons of kids over the years, and the greatest part about it, obviously, is being able to turn a child around, taking somebody who's petrified and afraid or won't sit in the chair or whatever, and then over the years seeing that person develop. In fact, we've actually seen that quite often over the years. A number of our patients have actually grown up to become dentists. Two of them actually work for us.
Might come to Dental Associates of Walpole, and your kid may be a dentist.
I'm telling you right now, from our point of view, the feeling you get when you get that letter, from a former patient that says, "Hey, I want to be a dentist, and it's because of the experience I had in your office." If you don't cry, you don't have a heart.
So you not only work with the elementary schools with your program, but you also give back to the community through the high school. Can you tell us a little bit what you offer them?
Sure. We started a program where we give a scholarship to a student every year, and we actually look at the applications ourselves. There's an essay that they write, and it's remarkable the quality of the students that we get applying for these scholarships. And needless to say, it's a great sense of pride that we have when we're able to help somebody, a deserving student who you can just tell by reading the essay they're gonna be successful.
Right.
To be able to help them along in their education is a tremendous feeling, and it gives us a great sense of community pride, and we're happy to do it.
That's fabulous. Right. Well, thank you very much for meeting with us.
My pleasure.
You are a great community supporter. So this is the second year in a row that you've been a sponsor of Walpole Day, and we
Absolutely.
can't thank you enough.
Absolutely.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.